getting leads, traffic, eyeballs, attention to your Save Club link. It's your end all be all. It's your lifeblood. It's that oxygen. It is that fresh gallon of crystal clear water in a jug when you're stuck in the Sahara Desert and you're just thirsty. It's oxygen. Okay. Now, let me show you what I mean. If you have not joined Save Club yet, I'm sure you will if you watch my video series. Every day, I love making video. Just talking about the savings that I've been able to enjoy over the last 30 days. I'm right at $950. I'm hoping in the next couple days I can save 50, so I can say 1,000. But I'm about $950 of savings by spending, and I always have this lucky $20 bill off camera. I spend $20 with Save Club to save $950. I'm still freaking the F out. It's awesome. All right, here we go. Now, how do I promote Save Club so that you guys might look into joining just as a member, $20 a month? But wonder if you want to be an affiliate. And that is where, ladies and gentlemen, 3 $20 bills. If you have $60, you can be an affiliate. What does that mean? It means you have your own website. It means you can invite people to click a link to watch a short video produced by our founder, Charles Moy. Or you can do videos like I'm doing now on a webcam, maybe do some emails through Facebook. There's communication through all forms of social media, Instagram, and TikTok just dominates. Twitter, which is now X. I think 99% of the world still calls it Twitter. I would just call it. I just say X. X marks the spot, but not when you call it Twitter. So just go back to Twitter. But social media is awesome. You have a cell phone, you have a webcam, you have a home computer, you have access literally to the world. And that's what Save Club is designed to do. Save money on things you're already spending worldwide. So you live in China, Malaysia, Philippines, hey, Canada, down below in Mexico. How about here in America? I've saved $950 on things that I was buying anyway. I needed tires for my Hummer, tires for my Chevy truck, a couple car wash places I go to. There was $17. A couple food places, boom. Purple mattress. I think I saved $300 on that. And then all of a sudden, $950. So Save Club itself sells itself. It is a juicy, delicious steak with seasoning, grilled onions on it, however you like your steak, or if you're a vegetarian, then how about a bowl of wheatgrass with green beans? Are you allowed to put butter and salt on those green beans? Because that's how I like them. But yum, Save Club kicks ass. This is how I get you guys, if you're watching, to just look into it. I love saveclub.com. And if you want to be an affiliate, give her hell for a couple weeks. Try your best for a month. Try your best for a couple days. And if you run out of ideas and how to properly talk about and just offer Save Club to somebody, please look into the funnel system. It over-explains massively what Save Club is. After people watch the 20-minute video through the funnel system, there's no doubt about it. Are you going to join to be a member? Do you want to be an affiliate? Do you want to earn money? Here's the compensation plan. Ready, set, go. To Save Club ease, high five. If you're in any other group, it doesn't matter. You can still get Save Club funnels. Every day I get emails. I joined under someone else. Can I have your funnel system? Yes, folks. I'm here to help all of Save Club members and affiliates, because the more we have, once we hit like 1 million members, our Save Club savings are going to be even more substantial. We already beat Priceline, Orbitz, because when I go to look at deals in my back office, what I like is you can see the exact deals from Priceline, Orbit, and other competitors trying to offer deals on flights, hotels, tanning salons, anything automotive. Oh my gosh, it's insane how much you can save by using Save Club with that $20 bill each month. But if you're an affiliate and you run out of ideas, please look into saveclubfunnels.com. Now, I'm going to show you some other screens on how I get a lot of traffic and people just looking into this on Facebook alone. Facebook's by far my favorite. I guess us older folks do Facebook and the younger kids do TikTok. The girls like Instagram. I hear all these things. I do all of it. I don't care. I want eyeballs and attention. I like people that want to save money that are 18 and 1 minute old right up to 118. I love saveclub.com. Write that down, saveclubfunnels.com. Now, my results so far, I've got 11 people that have kindly signed up over the last 4 or 5 days, it looks like here. I'll probably get a couple more today and tomorrow. I usually average about anywhere from 3 to 9 to 2 to 4 to 6 people to pre-enroll. And that's where you just go to my capture page. I love saveclub.com. And you just go here. You watch this brand new awesome video that explains everything real nicely about Save Club. And if you want more information or you want to join, fill this section out, hit the orange button, open up your email, and boom, you're going to rock and roll all night and party every day. So, wonder if you don't know what to do and you're still going to think, okay, for 25 bucks I can get the funnel, saveclubfunnels.com, but wonder if I really enjoy Facebook. And you know there's 2, 3, 4 billion people at any given moment on Facebook. And I know I am. I like to post my other businesses. I produce car shows. I own a radio station next door, purerockradio.com. There's a free plug. But I know a lot of people are on Facebook, and since it's my favorite social media platform, I enjoy getting leads from there, clicks, traffic, building a list. So, how do I do that? All right, guys. I have said this phrase 1,000,000 times in 1,000,000 different videos. And if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can see I average about anywhere from 3 to 5 to 10 videos a day, not a week. All right, before noon, hell, I make 3 to 5 videos before noon. And you can tell it's early morning because I have my coffee with me. Once I go to Delicious Drinks, I think I just spilt it. Nope, I didn't. My new yellow shirt I bought at Walmart for $6. Once I go to a Delicious Drinks that are not coffee, you know it's afternoon. But it's nice and early. And I know a ton of people are on Facebook. And this is my experience over the last couple of years because I have a lot of online businesses that are super successful. People join people. When people join me, I'm not shy. First thing I ask is, hey, how come you chose to join my group instead of the other teams or individuals out there? Well, I feel like I know you through video. I know your voice. I know your mannerisms, how you dress. I look at all the crazy stuff on your walls. I feel like I know you. And I go, God, right on. So to me, the business is awesome. Save Club is amazing. But I hope that you guys get to know me or like me. Hopefully you trust me. I have nothing to gain by bullcrapping. I don't have the shiny ball syndrome. I've had a job every day of my life since 1980. I am not out for a cash grab and then switch over to something else. I only do stuff that makes sense to complement what I'm doing. So if I have a juicy steak, I like salt and pepper, maybe some A1 sauce, maybe I want some grilled onions on top. Maybe I want to put peanut butter on my steak. Whatever I want to put on that juicy piece of steak called Save Club, as long as it benefits it and gets likes and views and clicks and equates to money, that make me just freak out and belch, and I'm not even going to edit that out because it's too much time for me to learn how to edit my own videos. I want to go through Facebook and other ways and means, but I'm going to show you how I do it on the mighty Facebook. Now, I own peoplejoinpeople.com, and this is where it leads up to. If you want to see how I use Facebook, where people come to me, not robots, not bots, not spam. People come to me. Call it attraction marketing, whatever you want to call it. When people come to me and say, tell me about Save Club, tell me about your online opportunity, I go ahead and I just email them or inbox them, however they want me to contact them, you. I just send them a link. And in this case, I send them ilovesaveclub.com, or at the same time, if you join and you feel like you might have a roadblock, look into saveclubfunnels.com too. I love Facebook. There's an amazing amount of people on Facebook at any given minute. And I think last time I heard there's like 3, 4, and there are 5 billion people worldwide on this thing. So people join people. All right, look at that. I want you to just put your information here. Yes, show me now. And watch the 2 short videos. They're just 2 short videos. That's all they are. And make a decision. Do you want people to come to you that are real people? Because the only way this system that I'm showing you works is by a real person filling things out, clicking something, and getting a hold of you. You can't get an automated bot. You can't get spam. There's no way any type of virus can go through this system I'm presenting to you. It's just not going to happen. And you'll see why when you watch the videos. It's people just looking for information that just love Facebook. So look into this. PeopleJoinPeople.com. Every day, people ask me, how am I able to get 1 to 3 to 1 to 3? How are you getting all these people to join? And if you see here, see my pre-enrollees, I don't have like 50 here and only 1. I don't get 1 million views on my YouTube channels. I mean, I might get 50 here, 30 here. But see, I get people really serious about wanting to do something. So I don't even have a lot of views and a massive list on YouTube. But I know how to attract people that really do want to save money or want to earn money. That's all. So don't think you need a massive list. Don't think you need a head start of 5 to 10 years. Every time someone says, I've been in the business 5 to 10 to 20 years, and they've been broke up until maybe Save Club or whatever the latest opportunity is, I don't look up to that. I don't want to hear you have experience for 5 to 10 to 500 years. I want to know what the hell you're doing now and does it work? And if it does, then let's look into it. If it's affordable, maybe I'll do it. And if it don't work, I don't do anything. I wipe it out. I own my YouTube channel. I own many websites. I own 91 of them actually through GoDaddy. And if anything don't make me money, I just zap its ass. Goodbye. So this is working right now. PeopleJoinPeople.com. And people join me in Save Club. And here's my results. Right now, it's early morning on May 24th. It's Memorial Day weekend. Hope you guys have a great weekend. And thank you for watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. And if you are a veteran or in the military, or if you have passed away and you're just floating above me like a pretty little angel, I'm thinking about you. That's all I got to say. Here's my wings. I look like a moose, don't I? Or I look like a horse's butt. All right. I love SaveClub.com, SaveClubFunnels.com. Please look into it, okay? I think you're going to have a good experience with Save Club in general. And I'll tell you what, I think you're going to have a really nice experience with just the Facebook lead gen opportunity. I even own that. I think I got a business card popping up on my screen right now. You guys can see. There it is, folks. PeopleJoinPeople.com. All right, I'm done. Have a great weekend. You need me, Cory at CoryDraper.com, or get a hold of me on Facebook, okay? All right, thanks again for your time and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Take care, guys. We'll talk to you later.